Hi, welcome to my class. This is Dr. Princy Francis, MES Asmavi College, Vembellur. Today's our topic is interest on debentures. We all know debentures are borrowed capital. So just like if we take one bank loan, we have to pay interest. Likewise, the debentures, for debentures we also have to pay interest, because it is a type of loan. It is a borrowed capital. It requires to pay a fixed rate of interest to debentures. Then this rate of interest is the interest on debenture is a charge against the profit. That means company must pay the interest irrespective of profit or loss. Whether the company earn profit or loss or not, it is immaterial, because we have to pay interest on debenture every year. We can pay the interest annually or half yearly. If it is half yearly, it may be either on 31st March and 30th September, or on 30th June and 31st December every year. That depends on the company. Then another thing is that the debenture interest is calculated on the face value. On the face value. Debenture interest we have to be calculated on the face value, not on the issue price. Again, it helps to know the issue of debenture issued at a discount or premium or at par. It is not a matter to make any difference in the amount of interest, because the interest amount is calculated on the basis of the face value. Again, the company is required to deduct tax at source at the prescribed rate before paying interest to the debenture. ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് കൊടുക്കുമ്പോൾ ആ സമയത്ത് തന്നെ ഒരു സ്പെസിഫൈഡ് റേറ്റ്, ഗവൺമെന്റ് പറയുന്ന റേറ്റിൽ തന്നെ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം, ഇൻകം ടാക്സും കൂടി ആ ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റിൽ നിന്ന് ലെസ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് വേണം ഡിബഞ്ചർ ഹോൾഡേഴ്സിന് കൊടുക്കാനായിട്ട്. The amount of tax or deducted has to be deposited with the government. Normally, the rate of income tax is 10% for listed debenture and 20% for unlisted debentures. Then gross amount of interest, that means amount payable to the debenture holders plus income tax, both amount, that is known as gross amount of interest, that is transferred to profit and loss account. And the unpaid amount of tax amount to government, that should be shown in the balance sheet under liability side under the head current liabilities account. Current liabilities. These are the main theories related with interest on debentures. First thing is debentures are borrowed capital, or it is a type of loan taken from public. So every time, every year the company have to pay interest. It is a charge against the profit of the company. That means company must pay interest irrespective of whether the company is earning or not. Then we can make interest payment annually or half yearly. If it is half yearly, it may be 31st March and 30th September, or 30th June and 31st December every year. That depends on the policy of the company. Then every time the interest on debenture is calculated on the face value. There is no change in the amount of interest on capital, whether it is issued at par or premium, discount, etc. Then income tax have to be deducted from the interest on debenture holders before paying to the debenture holders. That is because of the company is required to deduct income tax at source. Then normally the rate of income tax is 10% for listed debentures and 20% for unlisted debentures. Then next and last point is gross amount of interest should be transferred to profit and loss account, and the unpaid amount of tax should be shown in the balance sheet under the head current liabilities. Then let's move on to the journal entries. What are the journal entries? Here, the first one is when interest is due. When interest is due, before that, I want to clear all the lines here. Yes, interest on interest is due. What is happened? Interest is due. Interest is an expenditure, so interest is due. What we do, it should be debited. Interest on debentures account debtor to whom it is given, to debenture holders as well as the tax portion to the government. So two credits are the to debenture holders account to income tax payable account. Tax deducted at source before given to the debenture holders. Company have to be uh, appropriate. So interest on debentures account debtor to debenture holders, then income tax payable. Then what is the next entry? Next entry is related with payment of interest. Entry is very simple. Debenture holders account debtor to bank. Then what about the closure of debenture interest? For that, profit and loss account debtor to interest on debentures account. That is the closing. Every year, at the end of the year, all expenses and losses should be closed by transferring the balance into profit and loss account. Here, interest on debenture is an expenditure. So that is why we debit interest on debenture here. So at the end of the year, we have to close. One debited item is closed by crediting. So to interest on debentures account. Then by transferring the balance into profit and loss account. So the entry is profit and loss account debtor to interest on debentures. Then next is at the end of the year, the company have to deposit or pay to the government all the income tax amount. At that time, the entry is income tax payable account debtor to bank. Income tax payable account debtor to bank. These are the four main journal entries related with the interest on due. Here, the most important thing is that I just draw one box here. This is the most important thing. This is nature. The type of account is what? It's an expense. A type of account is expenses. Interest on debenture is expense, so we have to debit it. That's all. Then we can easily found out and learn the other journal entries. Then it is also noted that no interest is payable on debentures issued as collateral securities. These are the main points related with interest on debentures. In this slide, we have discussed what is interest on debenture, what are the journal entries related with debenture interest. Thank you.